Just got me this Kuton tabletop fire pit. I'm gonna go ahead and unbox it, and I'm hoping to light it in the daylight and at nighttime and show you what it looks like. Okay, this is out of the box, and the first thing I have to say is it is heavy. It is not only marble, it is also covered in rocks all the way around. So you're gonna definitely need two hands to put that out of the box. Second thing is it has this cup to put the fuel in. So you're gonna put the fuel in there, and then you're gonna light it, and you're gonna insert it back into the hole, and then it should be lighted. So let's do that next. One thing I wanted to include is it did come with this silicone pad that you place it on, and it's perfect. That way it won't scratch or anything your table or anything else you put it on. So this is the alcohol that I used to light it. It lit just fine. I would put a little more than half a cup. At least that's what I did, and it worked. I also used this lighter with a long handle for safety reasons. And then I wanted to show you the flame, that it is lit. I'm hoping you can see that, but it is lit and it is giving off heat. Now in order to shut this down and turn it off, you just use the lid that's provided and you put it on top. Pretty safe, pretty easy, ready to go. We'll see what this thing looks like at night later. It's now reaching nighttime, and I have lit the fire pit, and I love it. It just gives a wonderful vibe out here, just the ambience. Hope this video was helpful. Y'all have a good day.